Promoting an Instagram post from the app. Hey there, friends! Creating and sharing posts on Instagram is an easy way to grow your brand account while having fun on the platform. And although you can reach an amazing number of people organically when you share engaging and relevant stuff, you will get to a point where you'll hit a growth wall. It could also happen that you'd want to generate more engagement and drive more results faster. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to promote one of your Instagram posts right from the app, the easy way. Promoting a post. You have to start by picking a post that you'd like to promote. For this, open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon to go to your profile section. There you will find your published posts by scrolling to the content column below your bio. What you'll do now is to pick a post to promote. Once you decide, tap on the post thumbnail to open the post. Once you're on the post, tap on the Promote button. Selecting an objective. Now you'll be prompted to select an objective. This is what you want to achieve by promoting your Instagram post. You can select your profile if your objective is to get more users to view your profile. This will add a visit profile call to action to your post to prompt people that you reach with your promoted post to visit your profile and view more of your content. You can select your website if your objective is to send people from Instagram to your website. By selecting this objective, you will be able to add a CTA button that will encourage users to take action. And you can select your direct messages if your objective is to encourage people to send you direct messages. This objective will add a send message CTA to your post that invites people to send you direct messages. For this example, we are going to select your website so we can send people to our business website. Because we selected this objective, we will be prompted to confirm website as the destination. It is already selected, so we'll simply have to tap on Next to continue. Customizing the campaign. Now it is time to customize your campaign settings. This includes defining your target audience, your budget, and duration. Let's start by defining your audience. First, define whether you want to target special requirements in certain members of your audience. Special requirements include attributes such as credit, employment, and housing. You can target special requirements if you're running campaigns where you promote credit, housing, and employment opportunities. To enable special requirements, simply enable the Special Requirements option. Then select the special category that you want to target. We won't target special requirements with our post, so we'll simply continue without selecting a category to keep the special requirements disabled. When defining your audience, there are two ways to match your targets. If you select Automatic, Instagram will target users that are similar to your followers. And if you select Create Your Own, you will be able to create your audience by yourself. If you select this method, you will be able to select your target locations, your audience interests, age, and gender. For this example, we are going to select Automatic, so Instagram helps us reach users that match the interests, locations, and demographics of our existing followers. After defining your audience, tap on Next to continue. Now you have to define your budget and duration. Start by selecting how much you'll spend daily using the Budget Lever button. Now select the number of days you'll promote your post using the Duration Lever button. You will see your total ad spend across the duration of your campaign, as well as your estimated reach above. Once you are done selecting your budget and duration, tap on Next to continue. Launching your promoted post. You've just set your promoted post campaign, and all you have to do now is to review your promoted post settings. Once you are ready to start advertising your post, simply tap on the Create Promotion button, and that's it. This is the easiest way to reach even more people with the same content fast and at a very affordable cost. Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Hey there, everybody! Using Instagram as a platform to publish your content and grow your online presence will help you reach and engage an audience that you'll hardly find somewhere else. But you can take your reach further by repurposing your Instagram content on other channels. This strategy is called cross-promoting, and it allows you to leverage your existing Instagram content to engage users on other social media platforms and to create backlinks to your Instagram account on those platforms. In this lesson, we are going to show you the right way to repurpose Instagram content on top social media channels. On Facebook. Alright folks, let's start on Facebook. What we'll do on Facebook and on the rest of platforms we'll show is simply to take content from one of our Instagram posts, which includes the image, copy, and hashtags, so we can use it on a post that we'll create there. With that in mind, go to your Facebook account and enter the business page where you'll publish your post. Next, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do here is to simply enter the text from your caption on the Instagram post. Now, one thing worth noting is that character limits don't work the same on other platforms as they do on Instagram. And while you compose long-form captions for Facebook posts, the idea is to create teaser-type posts to encourage people to click on your Instagram link to check the original post there. One trick that works great is to open this post with headline text. This is simply a title that you'll use to catch the attention of the user. In this example, we're going to open with a question related to the product that we are promoting on the Instagram post. Next, you are going to add your post caption. This can be a segment of your Instagram caption, a description of your Instagram post, or a shorter variation of the same caption. In this example, we are going to describe the content of the original Instagram post. After you enter your headline and text, add a call to action and a shortened link to the original Instagram post. As you can see here, Facebook will generate a cool-looking preview of your post by pulling your featured image or video into the post, as well as the name of your account and publication date. Lastly, add your hashtags at the end of the post, right below the call to action and URL. Then click on Post to finish. On Twitter. Twitter is a crazy engaging platform that can funnel lots of visits to your Instagram posts and profile. The structure of a Twitter post is going to be similar to what we created on Facebook. Start by going to your Twitter account. Then click on the Tweet button. Here you are going to apply the same strategy we applied on Facebook. You just have to be careful not to go over the character limit, which is 280 characters. This means that you have to compose a shorter caption this time, so you can leave space for your URL and hashtags. Okay, so let's start by composing the headline. Here you can use the exact same headline that you used on Facebook, as it is going to have the same effect. Now you are going to add the post text. You can use the same text that you use on Facebook as long as it is short form. Otherwise, you can simply add a call to action to encourage users to check the original post on Instagram. We'll do that in this example, so you can see how easy it is. Here we'll simply compose a call to action to invite users to find lots of answers to the question in our headline over at Instagram. Then we are going to add the shortened post URL. Now you have to add your hashtags. There are two smart ways to use hashtags on Twitter. First, you can use keywords in your copy as hashtags. Simply find a keyword that is relevant to the post. Then add a hash symbol right before it, like this. The second way is to add the hashtags at the end of your text, like this. Lastly, click on the gallery icon to upload the image or video that you used in your original Instagram post. Now that you've fully created your repurposed post, click on Tweet to publish it. Tips for capturing and editing the perfect Instagram photo. Hey there, friends! One thing we have pointed out before is that Instagram exploded in popularity thanks to image posts, which are the most common type of Instagram posts. And there's good reason for that. Image posts allow brands and content creators to share their best photos to create awareness and engagement. This is because great photos can help you to really show the quality and lifestyle that you want to reflect. To help you achieve that, we're going to share with you some tips that'll teach you how to capture and edit the perfect Instagram photos. Equipment and specs. You can use your smartphone camera to take your Instagram photos as long as your camera is between 18 and 25 megapixels. Other equipment you can buy to take amazing Instagram pictures include a softbox for lighting, an adjustable tripod to hold your phone, a selfie stick. Although all pictures you upload to Instagram will be shown as square on the feed, it helps to know the dimensions of your pictures according to format. Square photos should be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Landscape photos should be 1080 by 566 pixels. Profile photos should be 1350 by 1080 pixels. Taking the perfect Instagram photos. Having great equipment and knowing the right specs for your photos will allow you to take amazing pictures only when you combine it with the right techniques. Let's take a look at the best techniques to take great photos with your phone. Apply the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a technique where you place the subject of your picture a bit off-center to create a light imbalance that forces the viewer to pay more attention to the subject. This means that by creating this imbalance, you'll focus the attention on your product. You can apply the rule of thirds by turning on your camera grid lines. Then aim your subject in the intersection between a set of vertical and horizontal lines in the grid. You can enable your camera grid lines by going to your camera settings while you are on camera mode. Use symmetry. People are naturally attracted to symmetry and cool patterns. You can achieve symmetry simply by placing your subject right at the center of your pictures. Another good technique is to use leading lines to draw attention to your subject. This is the opposite of the rule of thirds, and it can also help you to achieve very interesting results. Focus on a single subject. If your objective is to highlight a product or feature in your pictures, the best method is to focus your photos on a single subject. This means that you have to take your pictures with your subject, whether it is a product, object, or person, against a clear or minimal background, free of other objects and distractions. A good way to focus your photos on a single subject when you can't use a clear background, or when you prefer to use a natural background for your pictures, is to shoot your pictures against negative space. Negative space is simply empty space around the subject of your picture. You can achieve this by placing your product, object, or person against an empty wall, or inside an empty room. Try different angles and perspectives. When taking pictures, it is a good idea to test more than one angle and perspective. Because people are used to seeing stuff at eye level all the time, giving your photos an interesting perspective can rapidly increase engagement. You can do this simply by changing your shooting position. Experiment by twisting, turning, and doing inverse angles. Use natural light when possible. Soft boxes are very practical, but they can cause unwanted shadows and ugly light areas that can damage an otherwise nice photo. That's why we recommend you to use natural light when possible. Taking pictures of the outdoors right before sunset or at sunrise can help you to create warm, striking, natural-looking images. Instagram marketing success stories. Adidas. Adidas is a worldwide famous shoe and clothing company. Objective. The brand's objective was to promote and create awareness about a new product line brand. Strategy. Adidas encouraged its followers to create user-generated posts inspired by products made by the company using a branded hashtag. Results? The company was able to generate over 71,000 mentions of its branded hashtag and made over 41,000 new followers. Bloom and Wild. Bloom and Wild is a flower delivery company from the United Kingdom. Objective. The company wanted to attract a wider audience and potential customers for their business. Strategy. The company started running Facebook ads to target an audience based off their existing email list. Results? The ads helped the company increase bouquet orders by 62% and generated a huge spike of comments on their Instagram profile. Bejeweled. Bejeweled is a popular mobile puzzle game created by PopCap Games. Objective. PopCap Games wanted to encourage more people to download the app and play the game. Strategy. The company partnered with top Instagram influencers, who shared pictures of themselves playing the game and having fun. These influencers included branded hashtags in their posts too. Results? The influencer campaign helped the game climb up App Store charts in one single month from 702 to 182nd. Old Spice. Old Spice is a brand of male grooming products from the United States. Objective. The brand wanted to enhance their brand identity by running an innovative social media campaign. Strategy. The brand partnered with influential Instagrammers that were popular among its target demographic to run a giveaway campaign. Results? The campaign helped the brand lift brand awareness and generated over 2 million unique views across all channels. Chanel. Chanel is a luxury apparel and high-fashion accessories company from France. Objective. The company wanted to promote a new line of perfume. Strategy. The company partnered with fashion and beauty bloggers and encouraged them to share content about the company using a couple of branded hashtags. Results? This influencer campaign generated over 1,600 pieces of user-generated content, as well as 900,000 likes during the first month of the campaign. Sonic Drive-In. Sonic Drive-In is an American drive-in restaurant chain. Objective. The restaurant chain wanted to create awareness about a new type of milkshake that they had only sold at events. Strategy. The company ran geo-targeted Instagram ads that encouraged users to customize a milkshake and have their milkshake delivered simply by using a branded hashtag. Results? The campaign raised the company's Instagram following from 118,000 to 129,000 followers. It also generated over 26,000 likes and more than 1,000 comments. Hartley's. Hartley's is a brand of jams, marmalades, and jellies from the United Kingdom. Objective. The brand needed to raise awareness about a new low-calorie jelly. Strategy. The brand partnered with diet influencers to promote the low-calorie jelly to females aged 25 to 34 in the UK. Results? The campaign helped the brand generate a 146% engagement rate, doubled the brand's follower count on Instagram, and increased sales. Airbnb. Airbnb is a global online marketplace where people can search and rent tourism experiences and homestays. Objective. The company wanted to raise awareness about offerings available in their online marketplace. Strategy. The company created a series of posts showcasing user-generated photos of locations in their marketplace. For this, they used photos taken by hosts and guests. Results? The campaign helped potential customers understand what Airbnb was all about, generated thousands of likes per post, and increased business through their marketplace. Nutella. Nutella is a popular brand of hazelnut and chocolate spread from Italy. Objective. The brand's objective is to stay on top of the consumer's mind as a top chocolate spread brand. Strategy. The company continually encourages users to share content where they use Nutella spread in novel ways. Results? Using user-generated content helped Nutella to save on advertising and increase the brand's visibility dramatically. Dove. Dove is a brand of personal care products from the United States. Objective. The brand's objective was to lift brand awareness among the female Instagram demographic. Strategy. Dove created an emotionally charged series of Instagram posts targeted at women. They used a branded hashtag to raise visibility. Results? The campaign helped Dove to boost reach, brand awareness, and social engagement. Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. What's the advantage of Instagram marketing over other platforms? Instagram has been marketed since the very beginning as a platform where people go to see cool pictures and videos about stuff they like. And that's the reason why it is such a good place to promote your products. Instagram users are also more engaged than users on other social media platforms, and they check Instagram often. Do you need a social media manager to help you out? All the stuff you'll learn in this training will help you to become your own social media manager, although you might want some help with Instagram marketing once your business scales. A better solution will be to subscribe to a social media management platform. They're easy to use, are much less expensive, and can align well to your marketing objectives on autopilot. How much money do you have to invest on Instagram marketing? You won't need to invest much when you're getting started, beyond paying a good graphic designer to create a kick-ass logo and images for your profile, as long as you apply all the strategies in this training. You will need to invest some money down the line once you're ready to scale, such as investing money on ads or on influencers. But this isn't as much money as you would spend on a dedicated social media manager. Is advertising a good alternative to Instagram marketing? Advertising your Instagram content is a complementary activity to your overall Instagram marketing strategy. In other words, you can't replace Instagram marketing with advertising, and you can't stop marketing your brand on Instagram once you start running ads. Remember, you are going to use advertising to increase your reach, drive more sales, and scale, and that's just part of Instagram marketing. What's another great complementary marketing strategy for Instagram? Blogging is a great complementary strategy because you can use it to create a loop that goes from your blog to your Instagram content and from your Instagram content back to your blog. For example, you can produce images to share on Instagram and create blog posts about those pictures as well. You can then upload one of those pictures to Instagram with a call to action, inviting users to visit your blog through the link in your bio. And you can also embed the post with the picture into a blog post. That way you can generate traffic between both marketing channels. What's a common Instagram marketing mistake? Inconsistency is a very common mistake that can cost you the relevance of your account. To avoid this mistake, simply stick to a regular posting frequency, interact with followers when appropriate, and participate in trends when they're hot. That's how you let your followers know that your brand is active. What type of businesses thrive on Instagram? Any business with a visual appeal can thrive on Instagram easily. For example, e-commerce brands can thrive because Instagram is the perfect place to post nice product pics. Fitness brands can post videos and images that showcase their products being used during workouts or outdoors. Businesses in the food industry, such as restaurants, breweries, or bakeries, can also use Instagram to entice Instagram users with mouth-watering images and videos showing their products. Electronics stores can also leverage Instagram to upload sleek pictures of their products. In short, you can thrive as long as you have a cool product or service to show on camera. What type of businesses would have a hard time on Instagram? Businesses that sell more abstract solutions, such as software or consulting companies, are going to find it difficult to promote their products or services on Instagram and should in fact use other platforms instead. Also, business-to-business companies, which thrive on more professional and sales-oriented environments. What are some key metrics to pay attention to? Key metrics that are important to track on Instagram include engagement per follower, which tells you how much each individual follower interacts with your account. Follower growth, which tells you the consistency at which your number of followers is growing, the number of comments received compared against your total number of followers, and reach. Is SEO essential on Instagram? SEO isn't as essential as is using hashtags correctly. This is because content on Instagram is indexed through hashtags. In other words, people will find your Instagram content when they use keywords that are included in your hashtags. Running a product catalog ad on Instagram. Hey there, friends! Instagram has become a favorite platform among retailers because it enhances the visual experience of potential customers checking a product line. If you want to increase your sales the way top retailers do, there's no better way than to run a product catalog ad on Instagram. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to do it easily, step by step. Creating a catalog. Before you are able to run a catalog ad on Instagram, you will need to create a catalog to promote. You can do this through the Ads Manager by clicking on the Tools menu button, then on the Catalogs option. Once on the Catalog Manager page, click on Create Catalog. Now select the category that best describes your business. Click on Next and select the method that you are going to use to upload your catalog. For this example, we'll select Upload Product Info. Now select the business that owns the catalog. You can select Personal if you haven't added any business information to your Ads Manager. Now enter the name of your new catalog into the Name Your Catalog field. Then click on Create. You can add products to your catalog by going back to the Catalog Manager. For this, click on the Catalogs option in the Tools menu. Once on the Catalog Manager page, enter your catalog. On the Catalog page, click on the Products tab. Next, click on Add Products. On the following page, select to add manually. Then you can start filling your product info, which includes product image, name, description, website link, and price. Once you have added all this info, click on Add Product. Repeat these steps to add the rest of your products to the catalog. Setting up the product catalog ad campaign. Now that you have a catalog to promote, go to the Ads Manager page and click on Create Ad. Once on the campaign creation page, select Catalog Sales as your marketing objective. Now enter a name for your new campaign into the Campaign Name field. Then click on the Catalog menu button and select your catalog from the menu. Now click on Set Up Ad Account to quickly select your ad account settings for this campaign. Now you can start configuring the campaign. First, enter the name of this new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now click on the Product Set menu button to select the products that you want to promote in the ad. Now move to the Audience section to define your target audience. There are two targeting methods that you can use when configuring a catalog sales campaign. You can select to retarget ads to people who have interacted with your products on and off Facebook, to show your catalog ads to people who have seen your products on your website, on your app, or on Facebook. To use this method, you will need to create and set up a retargeting pixel first so you can track when users interact with your products. Or you can select to find prospective customers even if they haven't interacted with your business, to show your catalog ads to all users even if they haven't visited your site or app. For this example, we're going to select this method. Let's now define the audience. Here we'll do like we've done on previous campaigns. First, we'll define locations. Next, we'll define ages. We'll skip gender and we will select detailed targeting criteria. Next, we're going to click on Show More Options to select our target language. Let's now move to the Placement section. Here we are going to select Manual Placements, and then we will deselect all platforms except Instagram. This is how you can optimize your budget to increase catalog sales on Instagram. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Select Daily Budget as your budget type, and then enter your daily budget amount. Now select when to start running your ads, and then click on Continue to start creating the ad. Setting up the ad. Alright folks, now it is time to create the ad. Start by entering the name of this ad into the Ad Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. There are three types of ad formats available: carousel, single image, and slideshow. For this example, we're going to select carousel as the ad format. Let's now move to the Ad Creative section to customize the ad. First, let's select multiple products as a catalog format. Next, let's select slideshow in the catalog card section. This option will show multiple product images from your catalog in your ad. The headline and new feed link description fields are filled with variables that pull information about each product from your catalog into the ad by default, so you can skip this setting. Now enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Next, enter your landing page URL into the See More URL field. Lastly, click on the Deep Link Destination menu button and select Open Deep Link in a mobile web browser. You can see a preview of how your catalog sales ad will look on the Instagram feed and other placements on the preview window to the right. Once you are done configuring your campaign, customizing your ad, and reviewing your campaign settings, click on the Confirm button to submit and launch your product catalog sales campaign. Optimizing your Instagram profile for doing business. Hey there, everyone! Welcome to lesson number 1 of the latest Instagram marketing training. Here, you'll learn how to get your Instagram account ready to promote your stuff and do business. When you create an Instagram account, you only get access to basic features for common users. But if you want to be able to use business-friendly features such as your business profile, promoted posts, and insights, you have to switch to a professional account. And in this lesson, we are going to show you how to do it easily the right way. Getting started. Start by opening the Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Once in the profile section, tap on the menu icon on the upper right corner, then tap on Settings. Now you are going to tap on Account. Next, click on the Linked Accounts option. What you'll do now is to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. This will make switching easier. For this, tap on the Facebook tab. Make sure you are already logged into Facebook on your device when you do this. Tap on Connect. You can then select whether to enable Facebook sharing to share your Instagram Connect to Facebook automatically. For this example, we are going to tap on Not Now. Switching to a professional account. Switching to a professional account is the best way to grow your brand and business on Instagram, because that's how you can access professional tools that are not available to basic accounts, such as advertising and analytics. Doing the switch is very easy, and you can do it in just a few taps without leaving your device. Start by tapping on the profile icon to go back to the profile section. There, tap on the Edit Profile button. Once in the Edit Profile section, tap on the Switch to Professional Account link. The first step is to select which best describes you. You can select Creator if you run an account for a public figure, a content producer, an artist, or an influencer. Or you can select Business if you'll run an account for a retailer, a local business, a brand, an organization, or a service provider. For this example, we are going to select Business so we can switch the account that we manage for our online business. As you can see here, switching to a professional account will allow you to learn more about your followers through insights, to reach more customers with paid promotions, and to add a contact button to your profile that will make it easier for people to get in touch with your business. Let's tap on the Continue button to move on. The next step is to select a category. You can either select a category from the list of suggested categories, or you can enter a keyword into the Search Categories field to find the perfect category. Once you select a category, tap on Next. Now it is time to add your public business information. There are 3 types of contact info you can add here: your business email address, your business phone number, and your business address. The information will be displayed on your profile so people can contact you easily, without having to visit your website first. Here you simply have to add your contact info, and then to click on Next. In case you don't want to add this information to your profile, tap on Don't Use My Contact Info. In this example, we are going to add only our business email address, which is filled by default. So we'll tap on Next to continue. Now it is time to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Start by selecting the Facebook page of your business from this list, then tap on Next. Customizing your profile. Now that you've successfully switched to a professional account, tap on Go to Profile. Then tap on Edit Profile to go to your Instagram business profile to apply some optimizations. Start by tapping on Website. Here you are going to add the URL of your business website. Now tap on Bio to add a brief description of your brand or business, and to add keywords as hashtags related to your business and niche. Later on, you can use this field as part of a funnel, where you can send people from a post to an actionable link that you'll add to your bio. To finish, tap on Done. And that'll be it, friends. This is how you can get your Instagram account ready for business. Using and understanding Instagram Insights to track your performance. Hey there, everyone! Tracking and analyzing your performance is a commonplace activity among marketers across all platforms. Tracking and analyzing is important because it helps you to see what content is driving the most engagement, to discover what's working, to find out what's not, and to determine what needs to be tested and optimized. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to use and understand Instagram Insights, the platform's built-in analytics tool to track your performance. Accessing Instagram Insights. You will be able to access Instagram Insights from the Instagram app once you switch to a professional account. To access Insights, you simply have to open the Instagram app while logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the menu icon. Lastly, tap on the Insights tab on the menu. This will take you to the Insights section, where you'll find detailed analytics and metrics about your content, your activity, and your audience. And we will explain what the information and metrics on this section mean. Activity metrics. Activity metrics are details about the performance of your content, such as the number of people you reach and how much engagement they generated. The following are the activity metrics you'll find in this section. Impressions. Impressions represents the number of times your content has been seen by users. This is a relevant metric because it includes all kinds of views. That means that your total number of impressions includes the number of times users saw your content, read your content, and actually paid attention to your content. But it also includes the number of times that users scrolled past your content without paying attention to it. It also includes the number of times that people visited your profile or that saw your content through a direct message. In other words, you can use this metric to determine how many times people have seen your profile and your content across all possible placements. Reach. Reach is also related to the number of views you get on your content, but this time it relates to unique views. A unique view represents unique views from an individual user. So if one user visited your profile and then searched your content, it counts as a unique view. This is a much more relevant metric because it lets you know the number of users that actually viewed your profile and content. This is a strong signal of intent. Interactions. Interactions represent engagement. This is likes, comments, shares, and saves. This is a much more accurate metric when it comes to determining performance, because it lets you know if you're getting a healthy amount of interactions when compared to your impressions and reach. To give you an example, let's imagine that you're getting thousands and thousands of impressions and reach, but only a handful of likes and comments, and no one is saving your posts. This is a signal that you are reaching a good number of people, but that your content isn't engaging enough. On the other hand, if you're generating 1,000 impressions a day, and a similar amount of interactions, then it means you're on the right track. Audience metrics. Audience metrics are details about your audience. More specifically, they're pieces of demographic information that will allow you to learn more about the type of people that you attract with your content. Audience metrics you'll find through Insights are as follows. Gender. Audience metrics include the gender range of your audience. It will be represented as a percentage, and it will help you to know which gender finds your content relevant. Age. Audience metrics also includes the age range of your audience. It is represented as a percentage as well. And it helps to know what's the average age of people that find your content enjoyable or useful. Top locations. Insights will also provide you with a breakdown of the locations where your audience lives. It includes cities and countries from top to bottom. By knowing your top locations, you can also uncover other details about your audience, such as dominant language, time zone, and purchasing power. Active hours. Another useful metric is hours and days when your followers are the most active. This information will help you to better plan and schedule when to publish your content for maximum reach and engagement.